Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is the look we're doing today. We're gonna hop straight into this look. So for my base, I did use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one is in the shade Butterscotch. First palette I'm gonna pick up is my Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and we're gonna take this blue shade right here. I think this is not what I used first. Hold on, y'all. I actually ended up using the Worldy palette. From my understanding, y'all, we're not supporting P. Louise no more. I don't even remember why. But since I bought the palette, I'm not going to let it go to waste. I really have barely used it since I've had it. But my first color is going to be the shade Sky High, which is this blue right here. And I'm just showing y'all all the junk on my desk. That's not cute. And this palette is so freaking heavy. The next color I used, I really feel like you could skip this step, but I'm gonna just show y'all because I did do it on this eye, but I feel like you can't really see it. But I used the color Rodeo Drive. It's this one right here. So next, I'm going to take the shade right here, When in Rome. Yeah, I don't know why it's not focusing. It's like the color changed. Like the light will change, but it still won't focus. I don't get it. But this one is called When in Rome. Gonna take my P. Louise base. This one's in the shade Vivid Violet. Okay, no, because this I'm not even gonna lie. Doing a cut crease on my left eye be so hard for some reason. I be so scared to like wing it out because I'm not even satisfied with this. Like, it's not even shaped right. So I just messed up my cut crease, as y'all can see. I don't know what it's shaped like, but I'm gonna try to fix it real quick and I'll be back because it's so crazy how like I haven't cut my crease in so long. Like, it really takes practice. Like, I also used to doing it to the point I had it perfected, but it's like now I don't even know what this look like. So I think maybe I fixed it enough. Now that that's done, we're gonna take the first color from the Colored Rain palette. We're gonna be packing this one on the inner and outer corner of my eye, and then right in the center we are gonna go into our 35 eye palette from Morphe. This one right here, right in the center. And right in the center, I want just like a matte white eyeshadow and tap it right there to kind of brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking these liners from Suva, the white one and the green one, so it's Fanny Pack and Space Panda. And we're going to be mixing the two to get this mint green color that you guys see on this eye. I think I want to trace the areas out first with the lash glue because this will act like a guide, and then also to ensure it doesn't crease. So I'm probably going to do this part first. With this, I'll put the color down and then a layer of this and then a layer of the color again. But I don't know, I might do this first just as a guide, like I said. I'm going to go ahead and prime with my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I'm going to just take my Anastasia in the shade 440C. This is the Luminous Foundation. But my camera ended up dying. It's still not fully charged, so I still gotta hurry up before it decided I want to cut off again. But I'm gonna just list everything I used on my face down below. Yeah, I was not gonna put this look up initially because I really didn't like it, but I decided to go ahead and edit it and put it up anyway. So if you guys enjoy this look, I hope you guys have a very blessed Easter. Y'all be safe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.